Guys, have you ever struggled to hear clearly in noisy environments or found yourself asking people to repeat themselves more often than you'd like? I know I do. But today we're diving into a game-changing solution that might just transform your listening experience. We're talking about the Retekess Hearing Sense One, TWS OTC, that's over-the-counter hearing aids. Now, these aren't your grandpa's clunky hearing aids. Absolutely not. These are sleek, modern, and look a bit like Apple AirPods. Oh, and they're packed with features that will make you wonder how you ever lived without them. So sit back, turn up the volume, and let's explore what makes these hearing aids so special. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen for a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, these are the Hearing Sense One OTC hearing aids from Retekess. Now, if you don't know Retekess, well, they make a ton of wireless audio communication devices. And these are their in-ear offering for hearing aids that is getting a lot of interest. Now, before we get into it, Retekess sent me these OTC hearing aids to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get these out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and you'll find the hearing aids in their charging case. There's also a USB-C charging cable, and you get some extra ear tips in 3 sizes because getting the right fit in these is going to be pretty important. And also guys, you get a cleaning tool to keep these hearing aids in good shape. Now, the charging case is compact and smooth, and it has LED indicators on the front, which gives you the earbuds battery levels as well as the cases. The hearing aids themselves are lightweight, and you know what? They look like regular wireless earbuds, which is kind of great if you want a device that doesn't scream hearing aid. Now guys, let's start with some basics. The Retekess Hearing Sense One is an over-the-counter hearing aid. That means that you can get it without a prescription. It's designed to be affordable and easy to use. But you know what? Don't let the affordable part fool you. These hearing aids are packed with high-tech features, and when it comes to the tech, they're pretty impressive. They use digital sound processing with a 16-channel sound processor. This means that they can boost the sounds that you want to hear while reducing the background noise. Now, whether you're in a noisy cafe, walking along the beach or the streets, whatever, these hearing aids will adapt to your environment. They also have a maximum output of 115 decibels and an average gain of 28 decibels. This makes them suitable for people with mild to moderate hearing loss. With a low noise floor of just 29 decibels, the sound stays clear without distortion. Now guys, one of the standout features is the app. Yeah, of course there's an app, right? There's always an app. And this app is available for both Android and iOS. Now, with the app, you can personalize your hearing experience. You can take a hearing test right in the app. It then automatically adjusts the settings to match your hearing profile. And you know what? It's quick, accurate, and I've got to say, it's easy for anyone to use. So let's take a quick look. When you open it, you're going to see options to turn the hearing aids on and connect them to your phone. Once connected, you can see battery life, and you can choose between listening modes. There's a normal mode, restaurant mode, outdoor mode, and more. You can also control each earbud separately and run a self-check to make sure everything is working properly. The app also allows you to take an audiogram test. This test checks your hearing at different frequencies. It'll tell you how well you hear low sounds and conversations, and based on the results, you can adjust the hearing aids to suit your needs. Another great feature is the ability to switch preset modes. You've got normal mode, which is perfect for everyday use. You've got restaurant mode, which cuts down on high-pitched noises like clinking plates and glasses and stuff like that. You also get outdoor mode, which is great for windy days. And there's a music mode for better sound when listening to your tunes. So that's pretty cool, right? And for the more experienced users, there's even a personalization feature, and you can also adjust the volume for each earbud separately. You get an equalizer where you can tweak the bass and treble, and you can even adjust the noise cancellation strength. I mean, there's a lot of customization here. And it's also worth noting, guys, that these hearing aids are FDA certified, which means they're designed to enhance hearing without risking further damage. Now, of course, these are Bluetooth connected, and you get the power of Bluetooth 5.0 to connect these bad boys to your phone or tablet. You can stream music, you can take calls, or use voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant. They have dual microphones for clear calls, even in noisy places. And don't worry, battery life, you get 12 hours of continuous use without Bluetooth. The charging case also gives you a total of 48 hours, which is pretty impressive. And guys, you get some nice features, including an automatic memory function that remembers your last settings. You get in-ear sensors, which means when you put them in and take them out, it'll start and stop whatever your content is and turn them on and off. And you get IP64 for sweat and water resistance. So guys, there you have it. The Retekess Hearing Sense One TWS OTC hearing aids are a great option. They combine modern tech features with hearing aid functionality at a very accessible price. Whether you're looking to enhance conversations, enjoy music, or watch TV with better clarity, these hearing aids deliver everything. They're lightweight, discreet, and versatile enough for any situation. And guys, at a cost of around £179 at the time of this video going live, this, compared to prescription hearing aids, is money well spent. I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Retekess for sending me these very capable OTC hearing aids to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.